Okay guys, so let me introduce you to the ingredient that I'm going to use today, and this does not limit to what you can use. You can use any other greens that you like any other herbs. These are the ones that I always use, and then I will add more or maybe less. Okay, so here we have a bunch of coriander, about 50 gram, about 60 gram of parsley. These are scotch bonnet, 2 shallots. This is garlic, so I'm using a whole garlic thingy and I love garlic, so I'm using more. You can use less. I have some celery, and I'm using the soft part, the inside one part that is soft. Lemon. I have a bell pepper here, and I have a bunch of spring onion. Okay, so this will be the main, and then I will add some olive oil. So I'm going to prep everything and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I was just thinking, if you're curious to see how I'm prepping the parsley and the coriander, so I'm just removing this and keeping the leaf, and then I will just run them under cold water, and that's it. You just remove that. It doesn't take long. Yeah. Okay, all nice and prep. We're going to wash them. So what I like to do is to start with the hard one. So I'm starting with the celery, and then I'm going to add in my garlic, the one that I want to really mash properly. That is what I start with. The chili, and then the onion too, because the rest of the ingredient, actually I still want them to have I don't want it to be too puree, so I can't put everything in. I'm just going to put it in stage, and you can just cut them anyhow to help your food processor get started. Okay. Another one that I like is to blend a little bit more is this. Just like that, guys. There's no, it doesn't have to be perfect at this stage. Okay. This one too. And then, okay, so I still have the spring onion, but we're gonna do that in a minute. Let me bring this closer to you guys so you can see.